guys, you do come up with the most iconic players, and the Reverend Billy Gibbons is definitely one of them.
1974. This is ZZ Top Lagrange on Triple M, School of Rock.
Rumors run round the night.
One too many Bacardi and Cokes, and hey.
Ugh, Bacardi and Coke.
And you wake up 3 days later like, where am
I?
Who are you? What's your name? You do that? We've all been there.
I've never done that before.
We've all been there.
You fucking dick! And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
That's alright. Oh, there was a car accident right in front of me. There's a car accident right in front of me in the traffic lights. Tell me.
No, you just stay where you are for the time being. Okay? Let the others push their way through. You just stay where you are.
What the fuck are you doing, bro? You're a fucking idiot, mate. You fucking serious?
Shit! Asshole. Stop!
Fuck me. It's 2 in 1 day for you, Scotty. After you, mate. Jesus Christ. Fuck me. Jesus. 3 in 1 day for you, Scotty.
Got up and said the same sort of shit, but yeah, they just won't answer. I
can't believe. I just can't.
You know, he would not yeah, he's and then Kaylee, what's her name, got up and said the same sort of shit, but yeah, they just won't answer.
I can't believe. I just can't believe it. I mean, if he get, I can't imagine how he could be re-elected except for believe it. I mean, if he get, I can't imagine how he could be re-elected except for.
This is a bus. Sorry, I'm just interesting. I'm just saving my file here on the dash cam. All these pricks going up the bus lane while we're driving along. They're just no problem. Just going right up the bus lane. Anyway.
You gotta be shitting me!
Fucking idiot.
You fucking donkey!
Hassling, as I said, so.
Yeah, that's fair enough. Yes, but if you do hear anything back, then could you just...
Gave her like she wanted, never told her, oh well. When I was wrong, get caught, trying to high five it. I don't wanna talk about it, cause I just do it. You would rather think about it, just do it.
Hey, your lights aren't on. Your lights aren't on. There we go. You got it.
What the fuck are you doing? What do you want?
He's going high! He's going low! Son of a bitch! Here come the cars to the finish line.
queue usually.
Pěkný kokot.
Fakt? I want to say after asking, are you okay? And that's about keeping the conversation going, because I think the benefit of what we're seeing in community, and I speak from experience in the eastern suburbs, is people ask, are you okay? But it's listening and keeping the conversation going. You suffered clinical depression early in your life. You know, a tough background. Your mum was an alcoholic.
No nie to kokot, ani blinker, ani nič a najebe sa tam.
Zatrub mu do svičí. Your brother was 9 years of age, you were 6.
Ale že sa svieti vnútri.
Oh, he's special. Bloody Camry driver again.
The disease which is very common in the ground when maraeas are grown in the ground, but not in
Oh, that's clever. Oh, that's clever. You're a clever dick in the garbage truck.
A premiership contender after holding on to beat the Warriors 24-18 in Gosford. The Dragons' main finals hopes are officially over after a golden point loss to the Cowboys in Townsville. World number 1 Dustin Johnson.
You gotta be kidding me!
Round of the season-ending PGA Tour Championship.
AFSL number 422902. Jeff, is there anything else?
No right turn means fuck all to people, I guess.
No thanks. I'll be switching to TPG Mobile.
I was gonna squeeze it. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, thanks, mate. Love your work, idiot. It's as if I'm not here. Because the bus stop's there.
After that 4-week period, I was really shocked with the results actually. My lines have reduced.
Oh, here we go. We're supposed to go round the roundabout. Around the roundabout. You're in a car. There's no excuse. Oh, double line overtake. You're an idiot. Wombat.
They would have committed an offence and be penalised for feeding of knackery meat, when in fact no such offence or penalty exists.
Well, that's well and truly read, that. That is well and truly read.
The second one is the most important one. Calls on the government to remove GWC.
Not a minute before, not a minute later. 6:01 AM.
Yeah, don't worry about the red light in the Camry. Another Camry driver.
0460 sitting up their positions entirely. We have invited John Barilaro on today, the National Party leader. We're yet to hear back from
just
John
expecting
Barilaro.
all his problems.
The New South Wales Liberal MP calling on his agreements, including deal with Suffolk University. How will this impact universities? So university rights back territory government, local government, well, finance, and will be watching the road. Traffic. Listen to the Ray Hadley Morning Show. The M4 and M7 both have to speed through Eastern Creek, Beverly Hills, Georgia Drive, and southbound approaching
That's very good. You're supposed to turn right there. Nice. LJ, nice.
He's a trainer for an AFL club. He's been stood down.